Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best red room is probably one of the most striking and passionate design choices you can make for your living space, instantly transforming any area into a bold statement of personality and warmth, evoking a sense of drama and intimacy that few other colors can achieve, making it a truly captivating aesthetic for those who dare to embrace its intensity and create a memorable atmosphere. Number 5. 13.1-foot RGB LED TV Backlights. Transform your viewing experience with vibrant, dynamic lighting. These LED strips bring your entertainment to life, syncing with your favorite content. Watch as the lights dance to the beat of your music. With a built-in microphone, they react in real time to ambient sound, creating a lively atmosphere. Reduce eye strain and enhance your visual experience. Easily adjust brightness levels and choose from dynamic modes for the perfect ambience. Perfect for your TV, gaming setup, or holiday decorations. The low-voltage USB power makes it a safe and versatile lighting solution for any room. Installation is a breeze with strong adhesive and included clips. The flexible strip easily fits around your TV, and the compact receiver hides discreetly. We stand by our product quality. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This LED strip offers vibrant colors that sync with your music, creating an immersive atmosphere. It's controlled via a Bluetooth app for easy customization and features a simple peel and stick installation. If you're looking to enhance your gaming setup or home theater with dynamic lighting that reacts to sound, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lights are bright, colors are vibrant, and the app makes it easy to customize everything. The LED light remote also has 2 buttons for brighten and dimming. These red LED lights completely changed the vibe of my room. They're bright but not harsh, and the color looks bold without being too overwhelming. Number 4. Your Smile Luxury Merino Style Faux Fur Throw Pillowcase, Red. Discover the exquisite touch of our new luxury series. These decorative pillow covers bring a touch of elegance to your home. Crafted from super soft faux Mongolian fur, they offer a smooth and fluffy texture. Experience ultimate comfort with their concise and modern design. Each cover measures 18 by 18 inches, providing a generous size for your pillows. Please note slight variations due to handcrafting. Featuring a matching shade invisible zipper, insertion and washing are made simple. This ensures an elegant look without compromising on practicality. Maintaining their beauty is effortless. Simply machine wash cold separately on a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low. Avoid bleach and ironing. This festive red color is perfect for the Christmas season. Enhance your holiday decor with these luxurious and comfortable additions. What we like. These pillow covers are made from incredibly soft and fluffy faux fur, offering a luxurious feel. They feature a hidden zipper for a clean look and easy washing. If you desire a touch of cozy elegance and comfort for your sofa or bed, especially during colder months, these are an excellent addition. What people say. So soft, excellent quality. These are beautiful and soft. Came air sealed, which is great so it wouldn't have any damages. Number 3. Red Neon Aesthetic Pictures Wall Collage Kit. Transform your space with the stunning collection of red neon aesthetic prints. These vibrant images are designed to bring a unique glow to any room. You'll receive a generous pack of 50 satin finish prints, each measuring 4 by 6 inches. They are printed on durable cardstock, ensuring they stay looking great for years. With a red neon theme, these glowing prints offer endless possibilities for decoration. Overlap them, frame them, or arrange them however you like to personalize your space. These can be easily applied to your walls, framed for a more polished look, or even hung. No matter how you choose to display them, they are sure to make a statement. Beautifully packaged in a protective box, this kit makes an ideal gift. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for the special people in your life. This huge pack is perfect for adding personality to dorm rooms. It's a fantastic way to create a trendy and personalized atmosphere for both girls and boys. What we like. This kit provides 50 high-quality cardstock prints with a striking red neon aesthetic. They are perfect for creating a personalized gallery wall or accenting your room. If you're a teen or young adult looking to add a trendy, vibrant, and customizable flair to your dorm or bedroom, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The set includes 50 high-quality 4x6-inch prints featuring a vibrant mix of neon signs, hearts, lightning bolts, and retro motifs, perfect for adding a bold, edgy vibe to your room. The satin finish gives the images a sleek, modern look, and the sturdy protective box ensures they arrived in perfect condition. They are printed on very thick, good quality paper. They are not glossy but matte. So many pictures to choose from. They are all printed on thick cardstock-like paper. Was happy about that. I feel like this will hold up much longer than other brands. Number 2. Hopolon Lip Neon Signs. Introducing a unique lip-shaped neon sign. It's the perfect eye-catching addition to your party or home decor, adding a splash of color to any room. This neon art light provides a comfortable warm glow. It's a wonderful replacement for boring desk lamps, bringing life to even the darkest spaces. Power it with 3 AA batteries or a USB cable. It features convenient hanging holes for wall display or can simply rest on any flat surface. Operated at a low voltage, this light is safe to the touch and won't get hot. There's no risk of glass breakage or hazardous material leaks. This makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. It's ideal for kids' rooms, parties, holidays, and special celebrations. Add a vibrant touch to your space with this striking red lip neon sign. It's a fun and stylish decoration accessory. What we like. This unique lip-shaped neon sign adds a playful and stylish touch to any space. It's powered by batteries or USB, making it versatile for placement, and operates on a safe low voltage. If you're searching for a fun, eye-catching decorative piece for a party, a child's room, or as a quirky gift, this sign is ideal. What people say. Great brightness. Recommend this heavily. So cute, looked good with my sexy decor. The light is cute but not too bright. Number 1. WallPops, the Luckiest Day Wall Art Kit. Bring a touch of magic to your walls with this beautiful rainbow art kit. It features a charming watercolor effect that will brighten any room. Decorating is a breeze with our peel and stick design. You can easily reposition them until you get the perfect look. Worry-free decorating is here. Our wall art is always removable and leaves no sticky residue behind, keeping your walls pristine. These decals stick effortlessly to most smooth, flat surfaces. Get creative and place them wherever you desire. This kit comes with 9 colorful pieces, giving you plenty of options to create a stunning display. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This wall art kit features a beautiful rainbow design with a watercolor effect that's both cheerful and artistic. The peel and stick application is incredibly easy, and they are safe for walls, leaving no residue upon removal. If you want to add a splash of color and a whimsical touch to a child's room or any space without commitment, this is a great choice. What people say. It looks so great. The wall, it is thick and sticks well. I took it off the wall several times and stuck it back on because we couldn't decide in placement, and it's still sticky and looks great. Easy to use and sticks to textured wall. Very easy to install and looks good. Repositionable and good value compared to what other companies charge for these wall stickers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.